Let me take you through an honest look at the Scarlet Lady, Virgin Voyages flagship that has been making waves in the cruise industry since 2021. This adults-only vessel represents a bold departure from traditional cruising, targeting millennials and Gen X travelers who want something completely different from their vacation experience. The ship carries about 2,770 guests and operates primarily from Miami, focusing on Caribbean itineraries that range from quick 4-night getaways to week-long adventures. What immediately sets this ship apart is its strict adults-only policy, meaning everyone aboard must be 18 or older. This creates a completely different atmosphere compared to family-friendly cruise ships, with late-night parties, sophisticated entertainment, and dining experiences that cater specifically to adult tastes and preferences. The accommodations on Scarlet Lady reflect Virgin's commitment to modern design and comfort, though they come with some interesting twists that might surprise traditional cruise passengers. The most popular option is the Sea Terrace cabin, which offers about 250 square feet including a private balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee or evening cocktail with ocean views. These rooms feature convertible sleeping arrangements, smart TVs, Bluetooth speakers, and mood lighting that lets you customize the ambience. For those who prefer natural light without the balcony price tag, Sea View cabins provide large porthole windows that flood the space with sunlight during sea days. The inside cabins are surprisingly well designed despite lacking windows, using clever lighting and mirrors to create an open feeling that does not make you feel claustrophobic. The real luxury comes with the RockStar quarters, which are Virgin's version of suites. These spacious accommodations include butler service, walk-in closets, soaking tubs, and private terraces that make you feel like you are staying at a high-end resort rather than on a cruise ship. The largest suite, called the Manor, spans over 1,100 square feet and includes multiple bedrooms, a full kitchen, and even a private hot tub for those who want the ultimate indulgence. All cabins feature modern amenities like USB ports, walk-in showers, and stylish furnishings that feel more like a boutique hotel than a traditional cruise ship cabin. The design aesthetic is clean and contemporary, though some guests find it a bit too minimalist for their tastes. Virgin Voyages completely revolutionized cruise dining by eliminating both the traditional main dining room and the ubiquitous buffet, instead offering multiple specialty restaurants that are all included in your cruise fare. This approach means no rushing to make dinner reservations or paying extra cover charges, though it does require some planning since popular restaurants can get busy during peak dining times. The Wake serves as the most casual dining option, offering global comfort food throughout the day and night. Their Korean fried chicken has become legendary among repeat guests, while their poke bowls and elevated burger options satisfy those seeking familiar flavors with a modern twist. The atmosphere is relaxed and social, making it perfect for solo travelers or groups who want to grab a quick bite. Pink Agave brings upscale Mexican cuisine to the ship, featuring fresh ceviche, creative tacos, and an impressive mezcal program that rivals many land-based establishments. The restaurant's vibrant atmosphere and authentic flavors make it a favorite for dinner, though reservations are definitely recommended during busy sailing periods. Razzle Dazzle focuses on Asian fusion cuisine, offering everything from fresh sushi to hearty ramen bowls. The dim sum selection is particularly impressive, while the cocktail menu incorporates Asian-inspired ingredients that complement the food perfectly. Gunbae takes Korean barbecue to the next level, with tableside grilling experiences that are both delicious and entertaining. The dock specializes in seafood and raw bar offerings, perfect for those who love fresh oysters and lobster rolls. Extra Virgin provides authentic Italian cuisine with handmade pasta that rivals what you would find in Rome, while the Test Kitchen offers experimental tasting menus that change regularly and showcase the culinary team's creativity. The bar scene aboard Scarlet Lady is equally impressive, with multiple themed venues that cater to different moods and preferences. The study offers sophisticated cocktails in an intimate setting, while the Red Room transforms from a daytime lounge into a pulsating nightclub after dark. The pool and outdoor areas on Scarlet Lady prioritize relaxation and socializing over high-energy water activities, which aligns perfectly with the ship's adults-only concept. The main pool area features comfortable lounge seating and provides a central gathering spot during sea days, though it can get crowded when the ship is at full capacity. Multiple hot tubs are scattered around the pool decks, offering perfect spots to unwind with a cocktail while watching the sunset. The lack of water slides or splash parks might disappoint some guests who expect these features, but the trade-off is a more serene and sophisticated outdoor environment. The sun decks provide ample space for lounging, with both shaded and sunny areas to accommodate different preferences. Cabanas are available for rent, offering extra privacy and service, though they do come with an additional cost that can add up quickly. The outdoor running track appeals to fitness enthusiasts who want to maintain their exercise routine while at sea. The track offers beautiful ocean views and is typically less crowded than indoor fitness facilities, making it a peaceful way to start your day. Pool service is attentive, with staff regularly checking on guests and taking drink orders. The atmosphere tends to be more social and party-oriented compared to traditional cruise ships, with music playing throughout the day and impromptu dance parties sometimes breaking out around the pool area. Entertainment and activities on Scarlet Lady focus heavily on nightlife and social experiences rather than traditional cruise ship shows and family-friendly programming. The Red Room serves as the primary entertainment venue, hosting everything from live music performances to DJ sets that keep the party going well into the night. The ship regularly features comedy shows and cabaret performances that cater to adult audiences, with content that would not be appropriate on family-friendly vessels. These shows often receive high marks from guests who appreciate the more sophisticated and edgy entertainment options. Daily activities include dance classes, mixology workshops, and cooking demonstrations that encourage guest participation and social interaction. Trivia nights and game shows add a competitive element, while yoga and meditation sessions provide opportunities for relaxation and wellness. The casino is relatively small compared to larger cruise ships but offers slots and table games for those who enjoy gambling. The intimate size actually creates a more social atmosphere where guests can easily interact with dealers and other players. Theme nights and special events are regularly scheduled, ranging from wellness weeks to music festivals that attract specific demographics. These events often sell out quickly and can significantly enhance the overall cruise experience for participants. Virgin Voyages puts significant emphasis on wellness and spa services, with the Ritual Spa offering a comprehensive menu of treatments that goes well beyond basic massages and facials. The facility includes saunas, steam rooms, and thermal suites that provide relaxation options even for guests who do not book specific treatments. The treatment menu includes innovative options like cryotherapy and acupuncture alongside traditional spa services, catering to guests who are interested in alternative wellness approaches. Couples packages are particularly popular, offering shared experiences that enhance romantic getaways. The fitness center features state-of-the-art equipment and offers group classes including Pilates, HIIT workouts, and various yoga styles. The classes are typically well attended and create opportunities for guests to meet others with similar interests in health and fitness. Wellness workshops and nutrition seminars are regularly scheduled, providing educational opportunities that guests can take home and incorporate into their daily lives. These programs often feature guest experts who bring specialized knowledge in areas like mindfulness and holistic health. The spa's opening hours are generous, typically running from early morning until evening, allowing guests to fit treatments into their preferred schedule. Booking popular treatments in advance is recommended, especially during busy sailing periods when appointments can fill up quickly. Since Scarlet Lady maintains an adults-only policy, there are no kids clubs, teen lounges, or family-oriented programming aboard the ship. This decision allows Virgin Voyages to focus entirely on adult experiences and creates a completely different atmosphere compared to traditional family-friendly cruise ships. The absence of children means that all entertainment, dining, and activities can cater specifically to adult interests and preferences. Pool areas remain peaceful, restaurants can offer more sophisticated cuisine, and evening entertainment can include content that would not be appropriate for younger audiences. This adults-only approach appeals strongly to couples seeking romantic getaways, groups of friends celebrating special occasions, and solo travelers who want to meet other adults in a social environment. However, it obviously eliminates families as potential customers, which represents a significant portion of the traditional cruise market. The policy is strictly enforced, with no exceptions made for mature teenagers or special circumstances. This consistency helps maintain the intended atmosphere but can disappoint families who might otherwise be interested in Virgin's innovative approach to cruising. Scarlet Lady primarily operates Caribbean itineraries from Miami, visiting popular destinations like Cozumel, Nassau, Bimini, and Puerto Plata. The ship's schedule typically includes both Eastern and Western Caribbean routes, with sailing lengths ranging from 4 to 7 nights to accommodate different vacation schedules and budgets. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our best cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.